welcome once again to another video presentation. This time we're having a look at Unit 1, number 12, Cassidy Crescent at Bogangar. Just a short walk from town and the beach and the primary school is this property. It's a spacious 3-bedroom duplex. Well presented, security screens all round. As you step inside the property, you step into a very large lounge room at the front of the property. That opens onto a dining room. Beyond that, a kitchen, corner pantry, dishwasher, wall oven, and beyond that, a sunroom at the rear of the property. Off the lounge, go up a hallway where there's a linen press, leads to a main bedroom, TV mount on the wall, ceiling fan as well, walk-in robe to an ensuite bathroom. At the other end of the duplex, there's another 2 bedrooms, both with ceiling fans. Good size main bathroom, separate toilet, garage with auto door and internal access, laundry at the back of the garage, and a small yard to the rear of the property with clothesline. For viewing this property, please call Kingscliff Sales and Rentals 0266745888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au for viewing times, or visit our website for more photos at salesandrentals.com.au.